You just got to show them a little loving. Show your bike some loving. Show your Linkert some loving. And I did that about 20 years ago after brass and cork floats failed me. I decided to call this guy up right here. Tom Cotton from Liberty Specialties, Lacon, Illinois. There's his information. And Tom, or Cotton as he goes by to some people, told me this float was made out of fish fart foam because he said it smells like a fish fart whenever he turned it down on the night shift. Anyway, a couple of years ago at Davenport, I went to buy at his stand another carburetor float. And he said, well, what happened to the one I sold you 20 years ago? I said, oh, it's doing fine, Cotton. I mean, no problems at all. And he goes, well, you really don't need one then, do you? I was just blown away, man. I was like, I mean, what can you say? So anyway, a couple of years ago, I told him I was working on another bike, which is Old Spring. And he said that he would sell me a float. I mean, talk about somebody that's not in it for the money. So do yourself a favor, show your Linkert some love. If you're having issues like I was having tons of issues, and a hot flathead is not where I want to experiment around with splashing gas on it. So give old Tom Cotton a call or email him. That's all I got to say. 20 years. That's my 20-year review. And Old Green and me are both tickled pink.